Okay, good day. Welcome to the Human Digital Links YouTube channel. This tutorial is on creating menu on your Instagram story from Instagram story, and I make use of Android phone. So it's not iPhone. So if you are using iPhone, though it works in the same way, so you can simply make use of this tutorial too. But the phone I use is Android version 8.1. so if you want to do that, you must ensure you have downloaded an application from Play Store called Spark Post. That one you can use it to create icons or logo. So once you have downloaded Spark Post, let me navigate to the application Spark Post. So the logo is like this, so that's Spark Post. Once you have downloaded it, you can open it, launch it. Once you launch it, will load it. That's Adobe's packaged by Adobe. So once you launch it, you can click on that plus sign. Once you click on the plus sign, it's going to give you option to make use of free photo, or you want to use gallery or solid color as your background. So but here let me choose a picture as my background. So I will, as regard my brand, so my brand color is related to black, so I will choose black background as my background for the logo that I want to create for the menu that I want to use on Instagram story. So let me choose a black background. Okay, let me choose this one. So once it's load, you can click on add, that add at the top there. Once you click on add, it will add it, and then just make sure you click one picture. If you click two, it will just merge it, but just click on once you have done that. So you can click on Instagram was a template and then click done. So once you have done that, the default text there, you can delete the double tap to edit text, you can delete it. Once you have deleted it, then you come to where we have a plus sign here, add. Click on add button and click on icon. Let's click on icon. It will give you options, so I will even it will suggest a name like font, so you can search your own your own logo or your own icon. So let's say for instance I want to search for a picture of a man, so just type man, and then it will load pictures of man or different, as in like a cartoon nature of man. So you can choose from whichever one you want. Let me pick one from here. Okay, it's loading, so I've picked this one. Then you also click add again, so that we add it to your design. So I've done is the default color is like gray. You can change the color to white or to any desired color, to any color of your choice. So let me navigate to where I have yellow. So let me choose yellow. Let me choose a better and brighter color. So I've chosen yellow. Okay, this one is better. Okay, so once you have done that, then you can click on the download button. Likewise, you can adjust, make sure it is small. It's small, let it be big, and also at the middle. So ensure it is at the middle and it's very small. Once you have adjusted it, then you click done. Then you can come to the download button at the top here. Then once you click, it will save your picture as PNG into your gallery on your phone. So image save. Once you have done that, you can go and check or confirm the logo you have just done inside Spark Post. So Spark Post is majorly for designing logos or any even flyers or any design. So you can use it to design your logo quickly and within very few minutes. So let me check my gallery for logo that I've created. So you can see the one I just created is here, and this one I had before. So I am done with the logo I want to create. So you can see different ones that I've created on Spark Post. You can see, so I can choose from this. So once you have created many icon, or let me call it them logo, once you have created many icons, different one, maybe you want to use for support or for customer care, you want to use for the one you want to use for home button. So once you are done, you can just go to your Instagram application, your Instagram Android application. So once you just launch it, this is my Instagram application, click on it and launch. Once you are there, let it load. Okay, all right, this is the home page. So from the home page here, we have 3 button navigation here. So we have one button, also we have a profile section here. So on the profile section, you have opportunity to see all your profile, your details, your web address, number of followers. So on this place we have menu. So on my own menu that I've created already, I have home, services, graphic design, accessories, laptop, shoes, contact, dress, phones, 32 TG and stuff like that. So if you want to create new one, you can just click on plus sign, which will create a new menu for you. So and the logo, you can put the logo inside. You can see for that shoe, once I click on it, and other pictures that I've added. So it will be loading it just as if you are working with a website. So that's the use of menu on Instagram. Once you're clicking on it, it will be navigating as if you are on the website. So once you, after as you can see from my home button, I have different picture under that particular home button. Okay, I haven't done that. Once you, these are all the pictures that I've already done on the on the menu, on my own menu. So I've put pictures on each of those menus there. So this one for graphic design, this one under accessories, I have some under shoes, sneakers, graphic design. So you can do as many, you can create as many as possible for yourself under there. So you can create new one, select icons of your choice. Let me navigate to those icons I have already on my phone. You can see. So let me pick sneakers, this particular shoe. Let me pick this shoe. So you can, once you afflict shoe, then you click next. Just make sure you pick one picture, then you type the name that you want to be under the picture. So let me type wears and then done. You can see it's there now. So and one, as you are creating, the next one you create will be the first one at this on the section here. So if you want to make sure this home come to the first icon, you must edit that home and then it will come there. So you can edit, you can change the name, you can edit the size of the logo. In case if it's small, you can zoom it up, like you can enlarge it to be bigger. Once you have enlarged it on your phone, then click on, consider the shoe is bigger now, and it has been fitted to the circular area of that menu, so you can enlarge it. This is my home button. So I have many other picture under it. Okay, now to create menu per se, to let picture be under each one of those menu, you can simply go to this your story. You can go to your story, then under story, to any of the picture on your story, your Instagram story, click on them, then you see highlights down here. So if you click on highlight, it will ask you, let me choose any of the picture that I have here. Let me see any picture that I want to add. My picture. Okay, and let me add this one like this. Let me add it under VS that I just created. So once click on highlights, it will add to highlight, so you can add it under any menu that you have already created on your Instagram. So you can, let me search for this shoe, the wear that I just, so you can see it's here. So you can click on it, and then once you click on it, it will load and then add this to your menu. Okay, let me add it on address. It's still loading. Okay, I've added that one. So if okay, let me go to the profile page to check on that dress. Once I click on it, you see what I just, okay, the sneakers is there already. So like that, you can be adding as you can add as many as possible to your menu. So you can keep adding, like that. So once you create a new menu, and then you go to your story, from your story then you add to highlights. It's as simple as that. So these are those ones that I've created earlier, so you can keep adding. I'm trying to add more and remove some pictures that are not that useful under my menu, so you can keep adding from your story. Then you come back to check under your profile, then you can remove. You can see another my story, the story, then click on highlights. You can add or remove. You can add or remove any picture from your menu. So once you go to your story, you can click on any of the storyboard that we call status or WhatsApp. So on your Instagram story, once you click on add to highlights, so you add the picture, and if the picture already exists there, once you click on the picture and you add to highlight, it will remove the particular picture from your menu. So okay, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.